Question number 1. Yavanika, curtain, was introduced in Indian theatre by which of the following? The options are A. Sakas, B. Parthians, C. Greeks, D. Kushans. And the correct answer is option C. Greeks. Question number 2. Chaitra, one of the national calendar based on the Saka era, corresponds to which one of the following dates of the Gregorian calendar? The options are A. the 22nd of March, or the 21st of March, B. the 15th of May, or the 16th of May, C. the 31st of March, or the 30th of March, D. the 21st of April, or the 20th of March. And the correct answer is option A. the 22nd of March, or the 21st of March. Question number 3. Who were the first kings to issue gold coins in India? The options are A. Mauryas, B. Indo-Greeks, C. Guptas, D. Kushans. And the correct answer is option C. Guptas. Question number 4. Who among the following were contemporaries of Kanishka? The options are A. Nagarjuna, Ashwaghosha, Vasumitra, B. Kamban, Banabhatta, Ashwaghosha, C. Ashwaghosha, Kalidasa, Banabhatta, D. Kalidasa, Kamban, Vasumitra. And the correct answer is option A. Nagarjuna, Ashwaghosha, Vasumitra. Question number 5. The greatest development in the Kushana period was in the field of. The options are A. Religion, B. Architecture, C. Literature, D. Art. And the correct answer is option D. Art. Question number 6. What was the capital of Kanishka? The options are A. Purushapura, B. Pataliputra, C. Taxila, D. Mathura. And the correct answer is option A. Purushapura. Question number 7. Saint Thomas is said to have come to India to propagate Christianity during the reign of. The options are A. Shenbuttawan, Chera, B. Karikal, Chola, C. Nandujalian, Pandya, D. Gondafarnes, Parthian. And the correct answer is option D. Gondafarnes, Parthian. Question number 8. Who started the Saka era and when? The options are A. Kadphisas in 58 BC, B. Vikramaditya in 58 BC, C. Rudradaman I in 78 AD, D. Kanishka in 78 AD. And the correct answer is option D. Kanishka in 78 AD. Question number 9. Charak was the famous court physician of. The options are A. Harsha, B. Chandragupta Maurya, C. Ashoka, D. Kanishka. And the correct answer is option D. Kanishka. Question number 10. In the kingdom of Satavahanas of ancient India, a district was called. The options are A. Ahara, B. Kataka, C. Rashtra, D. Vihara. And the correct answer is option A. Ahara. Question number 11. At which of the following places was the headless statue of Kanishka found? The options are A. Allahabad, B. Mathura, C. Sanchi, D. Takshila. And the correct answer is option B. Mathura. Question number 12. With whose reign is the Gandhara school of art associated? The options are A. Kanishka, B. Harsha, C. Chandragupta Vikramaditya, D. Ashoka. And the correct answer is option A. Kanishka. Question number 13. Which one of the following dynasties was associated with Gandhara school of art? The options are A. Chalukyas, B. Guptas, C. Kushans, D. Mauryas. And the correct answer is option C. Kushans. Question number 14. The destruction of the Mauryan Empire was followed by a series of invasion, and first to invade India were they. The options are A. Indo-Bactrians, B. Sakas, C. Indo-Parthians, D. Kushans. And the correct answer is option A. Indo-Bactrians. Question number 16. Which of the following dynasties succeeded Sungas? The options are A. Satavahanas, B. Kushans, C. Kamvas, D. Guptas. And the correct answer is option C. Kamvas. Question number 17. A Buddhist council during the reign of Kanishka was held at. The options are A. Magadha, B. Pataliputra, C. Kashmir, D. Rajgrai. And the correct answer is option C. Kashmir. Question number 18. Which Chinese general defeated Kanishka? The options are A. Pen Chao, B. Pan Yang, C. Chi Huang Ti, D. Ho Ti. And the correct answer is option A. Pen Chao. Question number 19. Who of the following did not adorn the court of Kanishka I? The options are A. Ashwaghosha, B. Parshva, C. Vasumitra, D. Vishakdatta. And the correct answer is option D. Vishakdatta. Question number 20. The capital of Satavahanas was located at. The options are A. Amravati, B. Pathan, C. Naldurg, D. Durg. And the correct answer is option B. Pathan. Question number 21. Who among the following rulers has been mentioned as protector of Varna system? The options are A. Pushyamitra Sunga, B. Kharvla, C. Gautamiputra Satakarni, D. Vasudeva. And the correct answer is option B. Kharvla. Question number 22. The art style which combines Indian and Greek feature is called. The options are A. Sikhar, B. Vesar, C. Gandhar, D. Nagar. And the correct answer is option C. Gandhar. Question number 23. Who was called by Vindhya Adhipati? The options are A. Simukha, B. Gautamiputra Satkarni, C. Ashoka, D. Chandragupta Maurya. And the correct answer is option B. Gautamiputra Satkarni. Question number 24. In which year was Sakabda, Saka Samvata started? The options are A. 78 AD, B. 58 BC, C. 273 BC, D. 420 AD. And the correct answer is option A. 78 AD. Question number 25. When did the Mathura school of art flourish? The options are A. Sunga period, B. Satavahan period, C. Suba period, D. Kushana period. And the correct answer is option D. Kushana period. Question number 26. The practice of military governorship was first introduced in India by they. The options are A. Greeks, B. Sakas, C. Parthians, D. Mughals. And the correct answer is option A. Greeks. Question number 27. Who among the following presided over the Buddhist council held during the reign of Kanishka at Kashmir? The options are A. Parshava, B. Nagarjuna, C. Sudraka, D. Vasumitra. And the correct answer is option D. Vasumitra. Question number 29. With reference to the invaders in ancient India, which one of the following is the correct chronological order? The options are A. Greeks, Sakas, Kushanas, B. Greeks, Kushanas, Sakas, C. Sakas, Greeks, Kushanas, D. Sakas, Kushanas, Greeks. And the correct answer is option A. Greeks, Sakas, Kushanas. Question number 30. Who started the SCRA era, which is still used by the Government of India? The options are A. Kanishka, B. Vikramaditya, C. Samudragupta, D. Ashoka. And the correct answer is option A. Kanishka. Question number 31. Who renovated Sudarshan Lake without using forced labor? The options are A. Chandragupta Maurya, B. Bindusar, C. Ashoka, D. Rudradaman. And the correct answer is option D. Rudradaman. Question number 32. Who among the following introduced gold coins for regular use in India? The options are A. Vim Kadphisas, B. Kujula Kadphisas, C. Kanishka, D. Hermways. And the correct answer is option A. Vim Kadphisas.